Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. Here's a description of the plane. Position in the solar system. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 36 million miles, 58 million kilometers. Size and composition. Mercury is a small, rocky planet with a diameter of approximately 4,180 kilometers, 3,032 miles. It is similar in size to Earth's moon. The planet is composed mainly of rock and metal and has a thin atmosphere composed of trace amounts of hydrogen, helium, oxygen, sodium, and potassium. Surface features. Mercury's surface is marked by vast plains, craters, and cliffs. It has a heavily cratered terrain resembling the Moon's surface. There are also extensive regions covered in smooth volcanic plains, indicating past volcanic activity. The planet's surface temperature experiences extreme variations, ranging from scorching daytime temperatures of up to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, to frigid nighttime temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius, 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Rotation and orbit. Mercury has a slow rotation on its axis, taking about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, its orbital period around the Sun is much shorter, lasting only about 88 Earth days. Interestingly, Mercury has a unique rotation pattern known as a 3.2 spin-orbit resonance, meaning it rotates on its axis 3 times for every 2 orbits around the Sun. Magnetic field. Mercury has a weak magnetic field, about 1% as strong as Earth's. This magnetic field is believed to be generated by a partially molten iron-nickel core. Exploration. Mercury has been visited by spacecraft, including NASA's Mariner 10 and Messenger, Mercury surface, space environment, geochemistry, and ranging missions. These missions provided valuable data about the planet's surface, composition, and magnetic field. Mercury is a fascinating world with unique characteristics, and its study provides valuable insights into the processes that shaped rocky planets in the early solar system.